So I was about to wash Harmony hair, and I was like, you know what? Let me just do a review on the Curlpeace by Just For Me, and pretty much be showing you guys how I do Harmony hair and what I think about the products and how the products work for her hair. So the first product that I am going to start off with is the Tender-Headed Detangling Treatment. Now this is 12 ounces, and this has aloe vera, marshmallow root extract, as well as raw honey. Now it helps rinse away knots. It's a pre-wash as well as a pro-styling. Now the way you use this product is you apply a generous amount to dry hair before shampooing. Distribute evenly. Gently detangle from ends to root. Rinse thoroughly. If using after taking down braids or a protective style, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before detangling. For best results, follow with our ultimate detangling shampoo. Now I do have a little bit of this, but as y'all can see, it's like a very watery consistency, and it smells really good. So the next product we have is the Braiding and Twisting Grip Glaze. Now this is a 5.5 ounce jar. This has flaxseed, avocado oil, and black castor oil in it. And it says it holds and reduces frizz. So the way you use the product is section detangled hair using fingers. Apply product from roots to ends. A little bit goes a long way. And braid or twist as desired. And this is how it looks. It's very thick. So the next product is the Defining Curl and Coils Cream. Now this is a 12 ounce jar. It also has flaxseed, shea butter, and grapeseed oil in it. And it says to hold and hydrate. So the way to use this product is you section the hair, apply a small amount to hands, and rub together. Work product into dry or damp hair. Do not rinse. Style as desired. It said it's perfect for wash and goes, finger coils, braid outs, and rod sets. So this is a very versatile product. And this is how the inside of it looks. So the next product is the Ultimate Detangling Shampoo. Now this has marshmallow root extract in it, cocoa butter, as well as raw honey. Now it states to cleanse and hydrate the hair. This is a 12 ounce bottle, and this shampoo is also sulfate free. The way to use this product is you apply a generous amount to wet hair and gently work into a rich lather. Rinse thoroughly. Repeat as needed. For best results, follow up with the Curlpeace Ultimate Detangling Conditioner. And last but not least, we have the Ultimate Detangling Conditioner. Now this is also 12 fluid ounces. Now this has marshmallow root extract, cocoa butter, and raw honey in it. It states to nourish and replenish the hair. So the way you use this product is you apply to clean, wet hair from root to ends. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow with a 5-in-1 Wonder Spray. Now, I do not have that Wonder Spray because I did not find it. So, these are the only products that I will be reviewing today. Now, you can find these products at your local Walmart, Target, samsbeauty.com, as well as Sally's. So guys, I'm going to tell you guys the products that I will be using, and we're going to jump into the tutorial. So I have me some hair clips, a plastic bag, and a spray bottle with some water in it, a rat tail comb with a metal tip, a detangling brush, as well as the infamous Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. These drops has helped Harmony hair tremendously.